3. In this video, I'll show you how to send an invoice in PayPal. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Sign into your PayPal business account. If you're using a personal account, you may need to upgrade to access invoicing features. Next, from your account dashboard, open the Invoices section. Click Create Invoice to start a new invoice. Now, enter your customer's email address and add the products or services you're billing for. Include a description, quantity, price, and any applicable taxes or discounts if needed. After that, review the invoice details. You can customize the payment due date, add a note for your customer, and verify that all of the information is accurate before sending it. Next, click Send. PayPal will email the invoice directly to your customer, who can open it and pay online using one of the available payment methods. Finally, return to the Invoices section anytime to track the payment status. You'll be able to see whether the invoice has been sent, viewed, paid, or is still outstanding. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send an invoice in PayPal. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.